Posing here now. Is anybody walking? Oh! Hi! You know what to do. You have to pose. You have to pose. You have to pose. You have to pose. Yes, pose. Pose with me.
The chose that you spill.
Yes, pose.
Now pose.
Yes, pose. Now pose. Yes, pose. Now pose. Yes, pose. Now pose. Get ready. And pose. Yes, pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. Yes, pose. And pose. And pose. Pose. Yes, pose. Yes, pose. And pose. Now pose. And pose. Now pose. One shot and a round of applause. Alright. Anybody else? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, okay. Now let's go. Get ready. Okay. Anybody else walking in? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Category's closed.
Hi babes, it's me again. So when it comes to the posing category was actually one of the first categories when actually walking. And when the whole posing idea came forward, excuse me. So when the whole idea of posing category came through, it was more and very inspired by the fashion poses, where it was less about making movements. This is what I learned as well because I was taught wrong. So it's not much about doing performance movements, but more fashionable movements, if that makes sense. Yeah? Just so you know. And with that, I would love to see more emphasis on what you wear and trying to sell that within your poses. All right? Good. Thank you.
All right. What is going on? Ooh. judges. Diesel